Gabber23 throwing up his regame image with a custom emulation station theme. This is going to work for the Raspberry Pi 3, 32 gigabytes and arcade only, but that does include MAME, Final Burn Alpha, and Neo Geo, including the Capcom Play systems in there as well. Total of around 1,800 titles, and this one's going to be great for your bar top builds, your arcade stick builds, and those people that just want that pure theme, feeling, look. This is going to do it for you. So without further ado, let's check this one out. All ready for your 4:3 resolution screens. And this is running Emulation Station, so you can do a quick search if you want. No hack games, just straight up good arcade style games. And Neo Geo is a great arcade style system. So pull out your fighting sticks, pull out your arcade sticks for this one. Shoot 'em ups collection, there's a lot there. Beat 'em up collection, and then so here we go. CPS 1, for example, a great game would be Mercs. Cool little game. Nice vertical scroll. We're going to check really quick about bezels and things like that momentarily. But in the meantime, CPS 2, CPS 3, so for example, Street Fighter 3. Beautiful video snaps, good resolution, good load times here, going from back to forth, as you saw there. That was a quick little back forth for you. Arcade, Final Burn Alpha, 1,316. So here's a ton of games. This is also including your CPS 1, 2, and 3, so that's a couple hundred games right there. But a lot of great games on here. And it seems like these games have been gone through. All the video snaps working. Oh, Arcadia, no video snap. But many games. And I think what sets this image apart just right off the bat is the theme. A vertical scroll, really easy to view, and video snaps, running a recent version of RetroPie, so things are up to date. You know, I would like to see consoles and things like that on a 32, but having a purpose-built arcade-only build, a lot of people do look for these, especially when they're doing bar top builds or MAME cabinet builds. You know, this might be just what the doctor ordered. All right, so Demon Front, really great game. Look at those jukes. I'm trying to go. This is set up for a 4:3 ratio, so great on your arcade cabinets. It might be a little funky on some of you people running it on a wide screen, especially with some of the vertical wheel snaps. Now, I've noticed that there's no bezels on here. It does have loading screens, and it seems to be centered on to the left. Oh, wow. This is not going to work. Oh, okay. I thought it was about to be... We got him. Engage. Get wrecked, kid. Once you get your power-ups, these guys die much easier. Oh boy. Transform over here. All you gotta do is stand in one place. Do I not have any bombs left? There we go. Oh wow, beat him right when I was about to die. Cool. All right, that works good. Great game right there. Wow, there's a ton of titles here. You got all the gunbirds. So shoot 'em up city. If you like your shoot 'em ups, pretty nice. Marvel vs. Street Fighter, Marvel vs. Capcom, Metal Slugs. Okay, so your Neo Geo games are in here as well under Final Burn. So I think total on this whole image is going to be 1316 plus 558. So what is that? About 1900 total titles. And then you got your main games, 2-on-2 Open Ice, Alien Storm. So it doesn't look like this is a dump. It looks like it is like a, you know, I think it's the ROMs people want, those classical best-selling arcade games. So that's nice to see. Like I mentioned, Darius is a little weird, but everything else seems to be running good. Killer Instinct 1 and 2. I don't know why people put these on the images. Yep, doesn't load. So, I mean, cool to watch the video snaps, but it's not going to look like that. All right, so there you have it. Gabber 23 bringing you an arcade-only 32GB image with a custom theme. It's kind of got that retro synthwave kind of artwork going on, but it's got the vertical scroll on it. You know, overall, I'm going to have to give this like a B or so. I'd personally rather get an image that has some consoles on there as well. I've seen people bring some 32s out with nice arcade sets, plus a bunch of other you know, titles as well. As far as the artwork, I mean, it is thorough, and the video snaps are there, things like that. There are some duplicates, and it is set up for a 4:3 monitor. So if you're looking for this type of image exactly like this and just these games, you know, I might give it a B plus, A minus. You know, it might fulfill your needs just fine. But other than that, you know, like I mentioned, I might go over to a different image. But that's just me. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.